Today, I'll show you how to go to a specific date in TradingView. Before we begin, there's one important thing to understand. In TradingView, the quickest way to jump to a specific date is by using the Go to tool on the chart. TradingView says this feature lets you move directly to a chosen date and time instead of scrolling manually across the chart. To get started, open your chart in TradingView. Then right-click anywhere on the chart and look for the option called Go To. TradingView says this command opens a small window where you can enter the exact date and time you want to see. This is much faster than dragging the chart backward little by little, especially if you want to check an old setup or a market move from months ago. Once the box opens, type the date you want. You can also enter the time if needed. After that, confirm it, and TradingView will jump the chart to that point. This is useful for reviewing old trades, checking a news event, or going back to a specific candle on the chart. TradingView's help page explains that the Go To tool is designed for this exact purpose. There is also a keyboard shortcut if you want a faster method. TradingView's shortcuts page lists Alt plus G as the shortcut for Go To Date. So if you use this feature often, you can press Alt plus G, enter the date, and move the chart quickly without using the mouse menu every time. Now here's something helpful to remember. Going to a date moves the chart view, but the amount of historical data you can actually see still depends on the symbol, time frame, and data available on your TradingView plan. If you go very far back and don't see as much detail as expected, that may be because of available chart history rather than the date tool itself. TradingView also notes on its bar replay and history pages that data depth can vary by plan and market. If you are using bar replay, this feature becomes even more useful. TradingView says you can use Go to inside replay mode as well, which helps you jump to another historical spot without starting over from the very beginning. So, if you're practicing old setups, this can save a lot of time. So, in simple terms, open your chart, right-click, choose Go To, type the date you want, and confirm. Or use Alt plus G if you want the faster shortcut. That's the easiest way to go to a specific date in TradingView, and that's how to go to a specific date in TradingView. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.